The Genghis Khan Monument in Mongolia is an important landmark that pays tribute to the legendary Mongolian leader. This monumental structure stands tall and proud, epitomizing Mongolia's rich history and cultural heritage. The monument to Genghis Khan is an impressive statue that conveys the essence of the great conqueror. It depicts Genghis Khan on horseback with his arm raised as if leading his troops into battle. The monument is 40 meters high and made of stainless steel, making it a striking sight against the Mongolian landscape. Located in Mongolia, the Genghis Khan Monument attracts tourists from all over the world, fascinated by the life and achievements of this iconic figure. The monument is not only a symbol of respect, but also a reminder of Genghis Khan's influence on Mongolian society. For those planning a trip to Mongolia, a visit to the Genghis Khan Monument is highly recommended. It serves as an important cultural attraction and offers an immersive experience in Mongolian history. Travelers can explore the area around the monument, take photos, and learn more about Genghis Khan's legacy through exhibits and information booths.